Give me updates, please.
Nothing much.
Mhm.
We're going to be starting our next worksheet tomorrow. Today was a holiday, so I didn't have to do it.
Right. So
And there was a bunch of optional homework,
right.
which I didn't. I did some.
All right. Show me first. Show me a video, yeah, while I get some more detail. So we are still at the same worksheet as on Sunday. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, but we'll get a new worksheet tomorrow. Also, I missed yesterday's session, so I could do that tomorrow, and I think it'll be more useful tomorrow as well because I'll have the new worksheet by then, and we can go through that.
Good. Now, what? Show me the worksheet again. Show me the worksheet again. Right. So on the latest class, on the school, it was like in Monday or Tuesday? The latest one for EMAT?
What do you say?
The latest class for AMAT, was it on Monday or Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, all right. So show me what you guys discussed on Tuesday. I want to get a feel, yeah?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we did this. There's 2 questions left that we'll be going through tomorrow during school, and then.
Oh, so you did this page, right?
Yeah,
as you
this.
said until here. Right?
I haven't finished this.
Okay.
I mean, basically we did this page, but I was doing this as well because again I was ahead of the class. I finished this, but I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this.
So EA, but G you finish. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, let me see your G for a while. Let me see. Yeah. All right. It does look complicated. So okay, keep it there. Right. I'm just gonna copy it first.
I can zoom in.
Okay. All right. So I need. So let me read that for a while. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good. And then you did that. Okay, good. In Radian, good. You did get that. All right. The teacher asked you to do it in Radian, isn't it?
Oh, sorry, it's over here. The range.
Yeah. Did the teacher ask you to do that? Like change it to Radian?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good.
Yes.
Okay. A very minor. In Radian, you don't have degree, so just very minor thing. So
sorry, what is it?
Sorry. Following the Jamboard. Okay. Please check your Jamboard in page 9.
Okay. Oh, why is it so small?
Okay, you tell me when you have it, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
So this is very minor but important in exam, yeah? So in radian, there is no degree. And then they know that the 0 is a 0 radian, not 0 degree. Of course, they are the same thing, I know. That's why I say it's very minor. But let's not have the degree here. Okay. Right. So okay, all right. Yeah, okay. So it is an ugly number, right? You should be having the degree here. So let's say you have these 2 degrees right here, right? And then you're supposed to change it to radian. So is that giving you a problem? Like
No.
So can you show me the radian answer? Which one is that?
163 pi by 180. Wait, what? No, wait, what's wrong?
You mean is this answer and this answer, is it?
Yeah, wait, this is wrong.
Which one?
3 to
Okay.
6. No.
All right, 3 to 6. Yeah, but the radian answer is this lah, this two. So if you want to correct something, correct it first.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
I've corrected it.
Right. Okay. Show me. Go up. Go up a bit. All right. Good. Now, okay. I'm very happy until this stage and this stage. I'm very happy. Right. So the things I'm gonna say, that means you understand how to do the algebra part, right? This is Hartley trigonometry at this point, but you can do it, and that's very important. And I'm very happy until 90 now. So I am asking you to find out your mistake so that you can get perfection, right? Because you are close to perfection, but you're not there. Yeah, very close. Yeah. So I want you to use 360 and confirm lah. Again, confirming means I want you to put it in the calculator. So 360, right? Please do that. And for precaution, also check your 3 to 6 lah. So confirm these two things in the calculator and let's see what happens. Okay. So I want to see your calculator when you're confirming it. So let me see, because you'll be needing this during an exam also.
Wait, how do I confirm? So wait, 180 degrees is pi, right? So
That is correct. Yes.
oh,
In confirmation, never mind radian. You can just use degree, right? Never mind. Just use
put the pi in the one place.
Right. But please show me your calculator when you're confirming. Yeah.
No, I didn't fix it. Like I didn't use my calculator. It was just common sense.
Sure. But I want you to confirm. I really mean that, for example, 360, I want you to put it in the original question.
Oh.
Right. Can you show me? Yes, I use degree is fine. Right? You're free to use degree at this stage, right? Okay. Okay, you can use 3 to 6, sure. And then you type in, 6 sine x cosine x minus 6 cos, those kind of stuff, right? Okay, yeah, and then that stuff, and then minus 6 cosine x minus 5 sine x plus 5x. Okay, now is this good news or bad news?
Good news.
Very good, because the 3 to 6 is not exact, right? So we are a bit off from 0. So I really like your 3 to 6. It's very likely that your 33.6 is correct, you see. It's very likely. Now, do 360 lah. Don't press the on button, please. Do 360. So 360 into x, right? And then go up, don't retype, right? Okay, equal.
Minus 1.
Now, this is good news or bad news?
360.
Good news or bad news?
Good news.
No, it is bad news. Now check 90, just to be sure. Just check 90. In this case, check 90, see what happened with 90. Right, and then you go up. So this is good news, right? So 90 is good news.
Yeah.
So you know that most probably your sine inverse was correct, but your 360 was somehow wrong, whereas your 90 is correct. Right? I mean, I know why it is wrong, but I want you to think about it for a while. Right? Okay. Now, while we do other things, I want you to think about it. Right? Because this is basic and I want you to capture it yourself. Very important. As for the radian, I have no comment first. You can always check with using radian, but just now you check with degree so that, just feel a bit more comfortable. So I have no comment on your radian answer yet, but your degree, so far so good, right? Except 360, except 360. Right? So this should give you a lot of confidence, but a small mistake that you should correct. Now, let's leave this mistake for a while. I want you to ruminate. Now, let's show me the two previous questions. Maybe I can give you a hint, and then it'll be even better for you. Right?
Let's do this.
Okay, right. So, so you have no identities, right? And it's degree, so that's good. If you have identities, this will be very easy. So we don't care. We don't care about that.
We can do identities, actually.
All right. So Well, they haven't say anything about identities, right? So we don't have to care lah.
No, no, I use identities for a previous question.
Show me what identities you use. Show me.
Where did I use it? Yeah, this one. D.
Show me. So which part did you use identities? D.
Yeah.
Which part did you use? Because it seems like you don't need identities, and what you're doing seems to be correct lah. Yeah, I don't think you use identities. You are very fine. Your techniques are very fine.
What do you mean by identities?
Oh, the thing I say in holiday tuition again. Let me just write an example of what I show you in holiday tuition. You know, like sine 2 theta equals to 2 times the cosine theta out of nowhere. They will tell you this and they'll ask you to use this. But this comes out of nowhere, and this will always be correct. That's an identity, right? So you didn't use it, and you don't have to. And you know,
I thought you meant identity is a substitution.
No, but your substitution is, of course, an excellent technique to apply. Wonderful, yeah, wonderful. Yes, okay. Now, go back to the previous page.
Wait, you don't the next page. Eat during tuition, right?
No problem. Just eat and try to enjoy your eating, right? But also respond when I say lah. So I will still assume that you will be learning lah. Huh?
Yeah.
Just with so let's talk about this question first, which is question F, right? Okay, I'm just gonna WhatsApp the rest just to make sure everybody's okay. Yeah, it's rare for Kyoko and Aditya to mistake. Let's minute. Huh? Okay, done now. So let's say if I'm facing exam and I see this question, right, and I have no idea what I'm supposed to do, so all I can do is try things. So that's what I'm going to do lah. I'm going to try things. For example, hey Aditya, hey Ainesh, what can we try here? You know, try something lah, I suppose. Is there something we can try here?
Factorization.
Okay, I'll do it for you, yeah, since you're thinking. So what can we factorize?
That's a question.
We're trying here. Just if you see something, just try low. I mean, what else can we do, right?
You can't factorize x, right? So I'm not
sure. No. Forget it. You cannot. You just factorize either cosine x or sine x or some other thing that you should try lah.
Okay, there's a cosine square, sine square.
I mean, maybe we don't be too ambitious. We just factorize out of 2 instead of out of the whole 3 lah, right? So you just choose this 2 or that 2, right?
Oh, you could do that actually. Okay, let's do the first 2.
Okay, yeah. So what do I factorize out?
Cosine x.
All right. So this is not very different from what you did in part G, right? Not very different lah, right? So 2. I'm left with 2 cosine x. Am I correct?
Oh yeah, you could do that. Oh.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that it'll be correct. It doesn't mean that it'll be correct. No celebration yet. No celebration yet. Right. Okay, did I do it correctly? Did I do it correctly?
Sorry, where do you do it?
In Jamboard page 9.
Cosine square x plus. Yeah, you do.
Okay, then I minus sine square x, right? Okay, equals to 0, right? Right. So that's trying lah. So we are hoping for a progress lah for this lah. But does it look like we're getting anywhere? No, I would agree with you also, and I'm having difficulty not using identities because I'm so I'm so trying to use identities. I'm restricting myself here. So okay, this is not progressing anywhere. This is normal in exam. We try one, we don't think this is working out. Okay, so we try something else lah. Is there something else that we can try?
Is there?
I don't know. I mean, I'm asking the same question here. Is there something else that we can try?
Divide or multiply them by either sine or cosine x, but I don't think that will work.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think it'll work. Right. Yeah, I'm still getting rid of the notion that you have to do something. Yeah. Okay, so I'm also struggling. So we'll leave this for a while. We go to the previous question. Let's see if we can solve that first. So let's make progress there. Okay, show me the previous question.
Okay. Oh my God.
Okay, it's out. There you go. Okay, very nice. Okay, so, don't cover it. Yeah, okay, very nice. So yeah, the cotangent is tangent, definitely correct, right? Okay. So what you're doing seems to be reasonable. I'm not sure about the sine over cosine. So sometimes it is useful, right? So I will categorize this as trying. So this is a try. Right? I'm so sorry. Okay, right. So I'm right. Oh dear. Okay. So I will categorize your line 2 and line 3 as trying something out, which is important. Like this is a try. I will say the first line seems to be good to go. I think we have to do that, right? Okay. So how about your first try? Is your first try going anywhere?
No, I mean, maybe. I just don't understand it. Like, I don't know. Is this somewhere?
Right. Now, in exam, you must understand this. Huh? Oh, it seems to be a dead end. It doesn't always is a dead end. So we just leave it. We don't scratch it. You don't do this in exam, you know. You don't. You may come back later and realize, oh, it might be useful, right? Who knows? We don't know, right? We don't know yet, right? So you don't scratch things in exam. Huh? Instead, we just, move to the next space, beside and try something else. That's what we do. Huh? Okay, so our second try. Now, do you have any idea what you can try? Something different, I suppose.
What else?
What you can try, not suppose, not suppose. You don't think like I'm supposed to do something. No. This kind of question is really you have to try certain things. You don't say I'm supposed to. No. Yeah. At the end of the question, when you're inversing, I can say, oh, you're supposed to do this. Okay, fine. That's fine. Here, no. Can you try something else?
Sorry, my mom came in. Can you repeat what you just said?
In our stage here, in this stage of solving this question, we don't say what we are supposed to do. We don't. Every question is different. We say, what can we try? Are you sure you have no other option to try?
I don't know. I'm thinking. Yeah, I don't see.
While eating, relax your mind a little bit. We need a relaxed mind here, and give it a bit of a thought, right?
Okay. Tangent. I mean, or you move the 4 back and then try to factorize it, I guess.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me give you a guideline. This is a guideline. You don't think of it as a sure thing, Yeah. So I don't like tangent x and cotangent x.
Yeah.
I like tangent x and tangent x. The reason is very simple, because that's just one type of trigonometry, one type. So in some sense, I dislike sine x over cosine x, not because of the fraction, but because that is two types of trigonometry.
Yeah.
Whenever we are in a situation where it is one type, it is usually not a bad thing. So I will argue that your first line is already not a bad situation to be in. Okay, so that's a very subtle hint to you, very, very subtle hint, right? Do you have any option you want to try?
Can you convert sine x into anything?
No. You're at least listen to my hint, right? Okay. Tangent x and tangent x is great one type. Sine x and cosine x, not necessarily wrong, but those are two types, so less good.
Oh.
The first line is qualitatively better than your second and third line, simply because of the type involved. Simply because of that. Okay.
The pi, am I hearing it right?
No, the type. The tangent x is one type, right?
Oh, type.
Okay.
Okay.
Type, yeah. Sine x is another type, and cosine x is another type. A cotangent x is also another type, right? So first line, only one type is tangent x and tangent x. Okay.
Yeah.
Second and third line, it is now two types. There's sine x, there's cosine x. Not necessarily a better thing. Not necessarily.
Yeah.
Understand? I know we're trying. Trying is important. But I go back to your first line. Okay, that's my hint. Now my second hint. I'm going to give you my second hint to follow up. I like that you use substitution, right? In the previous question. I like. So please write down a very simple substitution. Tangent x equals to y. Please write that down.
Whoa. Okay.
Beside the first line. Just something very simple, right? Please try. Let's try it. Okay, simple, right? So you go from first line, right? You go from first line. You will get something that looks simpler, hopefully, right? Okay, goes to 4. Now, hopefully this will trigger you to do something. Stick on this line. What can you do? Can you do?
Wait, this becomes 3y by 1 divided by y, right?
That's 3 divided by 1. Yes.
Wait, it becomes 3 divided by y.
It is 3 divided by 1 because that's the same. Because that's 3 times 1 over y. 1. 3 times 1 over y is 3 divided by 1. Yes. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So you say that you don't like the over y. Okay. I think that's not a bad thing. Yeah. Still equal to 0. Yeah. 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 Good. Good.
Oh, okay. So
Now, whenever you substitute, you know that you have to, unsubstitute, right? You know this, right? So, I mean, you can do it now. So do it properly.
no space.
Yes, yes, but minor problem. Yeah, yeah. Create more space.
I do. It's so messy. It's 7.57.
Agreeably, it's an ugly number. Yeah, I know. Yeah, ugly. But yeah, bear with it. Bear with it.
Wait, this one should be 7. 251 points. And it's 2. 252.
Okay, so you have your, quadrant 1, quadrant 3. Okay. So, and then you have one more, to settle that.
I need to start memorizing this actually.
I'm sorry, you're saying?
I need to start memorizing this. He said that in paper 1 there's no calculator, so I need to memorize all these.
Special angle, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, but I did teach you how to memorize, extremely easy in holiday tuition. I will repeat to you again 2 days before exam if you need it. You can do whatever you want right now. You can try to memorize it right now.
Yeah.
But in the case that you don't get it, 2 days before exam, there will be no problem memorizing. That's one I guarantee. Okay. Okay. So you do what you want, but before 2 days before exam, I will check with you, right?
Okay.
Simply because I don't want you to memorize too much. I want you to focus on thinking.
Okay.
Right.
It's tangent for fun.
So one more, this thinking, you're correcting the question, right? You're trying to correct the calculator. You're trying to correct, make up for the calculator's weakness. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, what am I doing?
What are you doing? Okay, yeah. What are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
I mean,
No.
what's wrong here? What are you doing? It seems okay to me.
Yeah, it seems okay.
Okay, yeah, seems okay.
It's nice numbers. Yeah, that's that.
Wonderful. All right, okay. So remember my hint, my first subtle hint. What was it?
That the same unit is better than several units.
Yeah, I'll call it type, right? So when you have already only one type, stick to it. Stick to it, right? When you have different types, then you have to do things. Okay. For example, the next question, you have 2 types. That's a lot of trouble. So you say?
You know how to do the next question?
Not yet, not yet. I'm just looking at it and, hopefully my brain clicks somehow, right? But so is this our last? Substitution only works when you have one type. You may realize that. Like, for example, in your previous question, you substitute. Check the previous question.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that is where you only have one type. Are you checking your previous question?
Yeah. I looked at it. Maybe we substitute one of them as y, and then like for example, 2 cosine square x plus cosine x y minus y.
Y square, you mean?
Yeah, sorry, y square.
You can try that, but don't try it on this page. Try it in another paper. Try another paper, and you see whether you like the result. Okay, I like the spirit of trying though. So try.
Actually, can you do it?
No, you're gonna write it. No.
Of course, I can't find my phone.
Right. I try to find your any paper would do, right? Any paper.
Did you already see the mistake that's gonna happen?
Which mistake? Sorry. Which one are you referring
to? Do you see the mistake that might happen if I do the substitution thing?
No. I don't see mistakes. I see, is it useful for progress or not?
Is it?
Well, I want you to try it, then you can see it. This is really experience, you see, like, okay, will this be useful or not, right? Will this be useful or not? You check. You see for yourself. If you can, if it is useful, then we should be able to make some progress, right?
No.
Right. And I would agree with you, doesn't mean that we are both correct. I would agree, yeah, I mean, I don't know how this improve on the original. I don't. So we just leave it there, right? We don't scratch things, we just try something else. And again, the spirit of trying, right? Okay. Now, let me confirm that this is your last problem in this worksheet.
Yes, unless you want to do the homework.
Show me the homework. Show me the homework.
Okay.
I mean, for what it's worth, these are very good practices. These are very,
yeah, good. I agree.
Now, what's with B and D? Why are you scratching B and D?
He said that if you want to do extra homework, you should just do this.
B and D.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm asking you to see something without doing. I'm training your skill there.
Okay.
Let's see whether you can do it. So let's say question F, right? Question F. Is question F going to be easier? Don't do anything, just do it in your mind. Okay, why? Why is it going to be easy?
Substitution.
Right, but why? One type.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so F is going to be easy. You're going to get a quadratic, okay? Easy peasy lah, okay, great.
Yes.
So F don't have to do. How about E?
I actually don't know what these still mean. I always have to refer.
No, E, not D. E.
This is 1 by 10, right?
Yes, that's 1 by 10. So easy or not?
Yes.
Why?
Same type.
One type, good. C?
C is, what's this? This is 1 by 10 again. Oh, no, not easy.
Because of it is not the same type.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, if it is not the same type, true. I mean, you can see it immediately, right? E and F, right?
Yeah.
For C, then, oh my goodness, it's not the same type. Okay. But that's a normal question. A normal question should be giving you not the same type, I'll give you a little more trouble in life. So what can you do then as a, initial try for C?
Change the sign by cos, and then, it'll be 2 cos then. Oh, no, sine.
No, it'll be cos over sine because for tangent, it'll be cos over sine, right? And I think you may make progress there. So C lah, right? C, I think you may. How about A? How about A?
Whoa, that is kind of difficult.
No, it's not. You did a very similar quality question for A. The first thing that you try, usually, what do you do? Very good. Yes, very good. When you factorize, you may end up with the last question that you did. So A will be great. Okay. Now we're at B and D lah. So A, C, E, F, we did our discussion quite fruitfully because I think the first step that you want to try will be useful, right? Okay. Now B and D, can you see the first step or not?
B, no.
Okay.
D.
Okay. Do you know what's cosecant first? What's cosecant?
Is it sine?
1 over sine. 1 over.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Then yeah.
Then it's gonna be easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now let's do B.
You don't do the other question first?
Oh no, I want, but I don't know what to do also. So rather than both of us staring stuff, I cannot give you hint also.
I mean, you never know actually. The teacher might go through the thing you mentioned and then it'll be easy. So
like who knows? But like rather than both of us, like both of us, yeah, correct. Rather than both of us staring, I'll do the staring, you do D lah. No, you do B lah. You do B. Right? Okay.
Should I just use? Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Oh, found it already. I found what you did. That is a sneaky question. That question just now is a very sneaky question.
It is?
It is. I found what you're supposed to do.
Is it difficult?
It's sneaky. I don't know how else to describe it. It is very sneaky.
I don't. Do you think I would have found it without
Mm,
my current skill set?
I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure. Right, because it's sneaky. It's. Never mind. Let's just do. Let me see how you do. Oh, you're doing D. No. D, I believe you can do. No. Yeah. I believe you can do. B. I mean B.
Yeah, I got an ugly number though.
Sorry, you're saying?
I got an ugly number for X.
Sorry, you're what? Sorry?
Oh, I just continue with the ugly number, right?
Yeah. It's fine. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not always a nice number, even with the quadratic lah. So it's already ugly right now. And obviously later when you do the inverse, it will be even uglier lah. So I mean, we live with that lah. We live with that. Now, when things are ugly, it will be to your interest to confirm in exam, because you have less confidence when things are ugly, right?
Yeah.
Right. So stick with the ugly stuff. Find your final degree answer and then please confirm it. They're asking for radian, so you can do that also.
What? It's too big.
Show me again what you did. Go up. No, go up. Just go. Yeah. Right. Yeah. The 6.46 it's not a surprise one because sine maximum value is
1.
Yeah, so it shouldn't surprise you that this is to be rejected lah. Yeah, you should be writing reject. Yeah, you should be. Okay. Yeah, the presentation shouldn't be too big, but whatever. Let your teacher explain how to explain to present, because you need to follow his style, right? Not my style right now. So you have this minus 27 degree thingy, which is you need to fix the calculator weakness, right? Okay. Right.
Are the other two not coming at all?
Yeah, I check. So Kyoko is always very tired on Wednesday. So I'm not surprised that she say today she's tired, right? But Aditya is the forgetful one. So you'll be meeting him tomorrow, right? So he just replied, just right? Okay. Right. Okay, so look, things are ugly. In exam, you should confirm. Do yourself a favor. Right?
Yeah.
Confirm it. Right. Okay. You don't hype yourself. Okay, this is not nice. Okay, I want to confirm lah. Right?
Yeah. A second. Square X. Is this how I do cosec?
Yeah, it looks great to me. It looks ugly, but it looks great.
All right.
I just hope the fraction is correctly done, but it does look great. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Nah,
okay, that's fine.
Wait. This is degree or radian? Because this is a bit too far off. This is a bit.
No, it's because I did 2 rounding offs. So.
No. This is very far. No, trust me. This is very far. This is not what it is supposed to be, but I want to check your fraction first, right? I want to check your fraction. How did you do that fraction exactly? I just want to make sure that there's nothing wrong with that. The answer is not okay, yes. So okay. So show me your fraction. So why did you delete your fraction and repeat to me slowly so I can see, yeah? Because that's the best thing I can do for you right now. Right? So delete, yeah. Delete. Okay, good. Now show me how you do the fraction exactly. So you fraction first, and then you fraction the bottom, which is correct. Okay, no. So that things are less confusing. So don't fraction the bottom one. Don't fraction the bottom. Delete a bit. Delete. Okay, again. Okay, good. Again. Yeah, good. Now it's just one press divide. Press one and then press divide. I think that's slightly better. No, I don't mean that divide. I don't mean the fraction divide. I mean the divide button, right? So yeah, this might be better in exam also. So one, then
This
sine,
doesn't sit right in my head actually.
no problem. So now sine square x. Now let me see your typing of sine square x. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, slowly. Yeah, I don't like the 3. Yeah, don't like the 3. Good. Then how do you square it? The way you square it is correct. So barring anything, I don't think you type wrongly lah. So this does mean that we're in some trouble, right? It does mean that. So let's check whether we can find our mistake. Right? This is not a rounding off problem. It's not, so I guarantee you. It's a bit too big. So let's check together. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, I found your mistake. No, I found your mistake. So confirm there's a mistake there.
What's going on?
Yeah, never mind the focus. Don't care. I already found your mistake. That's enough. So you find your own mistake. This is not a trigonometry mistake. I think it's more like a normal math mistake.
What's the mistake?
Before I give you hint, try to find again now, because finding our own mistake is difficult. But that's the skill unit. That's the skill unit. Definitely, that's what we all need.
So it's not trigo, right? It's just a regular plus minus mistakes.
Not the level of plus minus lah, but you get what I mean. It's not a trigo math. It's more like the math before trigo.
So just to be clear, this and this is correct, right?
Let's just say that your second line was correct lah. Second line is
the second and third line. This part, basically, this part.
Okay, then let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. In the Jamboard, yeah, in the Jamboard. Now, what you're doing is basically something like this. Very good. Right, fix that.
I have to do the whole question again.
No, not necessarily.
Yes, okay, never mind. Let's again this, guys. It's a nice number.
Nice is great, right? So hey, that's additional, confidence there.
How do I get the numbers too big? Because if it was in the exams, right, I would have just let it slide.
I'm sorry.
How the number is too big? Because if it was in the exams, I would have just let it slide.
Oh, in this case, you will reject. No, actually, in this situation, not in another, but this one, you just reject or you just say NA. That's enough already. It's understood.
No, I mean in the calculator. How did you know that was wrong?
Oh, because it's not. What do you mean? What do you mean wrong?
How did you know that was minus 0.5 was too big?
Oh, I'll tell you later. Fix this one first. I promise to explain.
Okay. $90 degrees. Wait, so if it's 90 degrees as a basic angle, what quadrant, like what would it be in the other quadrants?
Basic angle. What do you mean by basic angle? Sorry.
90.
90. Okay, yeah. So 90 is very confusing because that's not what you deal with. In fact, you made that mistake one.
Yes,
You made
exactly.
the mistake of 90. Okay, so to settle this mistake, you know that 90 is kind of special and I have to think about it a little bit differently. I guarantee you that because 90 is not quadrant 1 and it's not quadrant 2.
Yeah.
It goes the same for 180, 270, and 360. Those are very in between, which you cannot treat the same one. You cannot.
Yeah.
So the best way to solve it is very simple. You go back to basic. The basic I teach you, just draw. When I say draw, you don't need to draw fancy sine graph. Just draw a very simple sketch of sine. Please draw at the side. A small sine graph will do the trick for you. Good. Now you know where's 90, right? And sine 90 is 1, right?
Yeah.
So where else is 1? That's what sine inverse 1 means, right? Is there anything else with 1? You're pointing on -1, 1 and -1 is different, okay?
Where else is 1?
Yeah, is there anywhere else that it is 1?
Not in this range.
Very good, that's it. Very good. That's it.
Wait, what?
That's it. There is no other answer. That's
Oh,
it.
damn. Okay.
You understand? I'm not asking you to memorize this. Please don't.
Yes, I understand.
Good. And you don't say this is quadrant 1. You don't. Again, you don't. That will just confuse you, right? No. Oh, it's in between. Oh, I need to think. Something like that. I need to think.
So the answer
Okay.
is
Yeah, and you can be happy with it.
all right. I didn't know.
So same old thing, fixing the calculators, weakness.
What am I doing? Oh.
Okay, remember again, when things are ugly, you should always check in exam. Yeah? But for now, let's use our remaining time for something else. Okay. So first of all, I want to answer your question. How do I know like minus 0.5 is a big deal? How do I know? Right.
Yeah.
So I hope you haven't pressed your on. Would you please scroll up if you can? Scroll up until you find. Okay, up.
No, I pressed 30.
All right. Okay. So I do need you to retype. I need to retype, and I want to explain what went wrong. So retype. Good.
You want me to do the divide method or?
The one divide case, because I think it's just clearer. I think it will prevent mistakes in exam.
Personally, I don't think I'll do it because it just gets on my nerves. I can't.
So you want to do fraction, is it?
Yeah, but actually, no. What mistakes could possibly happen?
Okay. So the fraction is wrongly done. Like you press fraction on top, not at bottom, and you don't realize it because it's visually the same.
No, actually, look. You see the line?
It's longer and shorter, is it?
Yeah.
Does it maintain that when you type the sign? Try typing the sign square. Try typing the sign square.
How do you want
Because no, you type as you want the original one, right? Then we see whether it maintains the visual change. Right. No, I know this maintains. I see the shorter and longer one, but if you, because the line will lengthen because of the sine over 1 over sine square. Right? Try fraction it. Right. Okay. Then sine square x. Right. You have to type sine square x. Right. Okay. The square. Be careful. The square is wrong. x, and then you have to bracket everything and then square, right? Okay, right. So does it maintain that distinctiveness? When it's longer, it's harder to see, you see.
Yeah, but
All right, okay, good. So again, in exam, you have to rely on this Q rule, so I don't mind that.
Yeah.
As long as you don't make the mistake. Now, my comment on this confirmation is it is not the best confirmation. It is not, because you use minus. Actually, I say never use minus, use divide. So left divide by right. So I want you to change your minus because of the x. The x is a problem. The x will be a problem. Right? The x will be a problem.
Into say like, what was my old answer?
Your x should be, let's say 199. So let's just change it to 119 so that it gets rid of the math error, right? And then we're still not learning what I want to teach you. So 199. Okay, now again, change the minus into divide, please. Is divide the whole thing. Minus is a bad way to confirm. Divide is good. So divide, and then, so now it's left divided by right, correct? Are you sure that the sign is also 199? Because I didn't see it. The other sign is also 199, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now this bothers me because the 199 is supposed to be correct. Oh. You're supposed to, I'm sorry, you're supposed to bracket the whole left-hand side. You're supposed to bracket the whole left-hand side, right? Okay, that causes the problem. Bracket, no. Bracket the 2 sine x plus 1, okay? I think that'll be fine.
What?
No, you bracket it wrongly. Wait. The whole left-hand side and the whole right-hand side, you bracket it wrongly. You haven't bracket the left-hand side. You haven't bracket the left-hand side. That's a problem. That is a problem. Right. Okay, good. Now we see. Now we see.
Bam.
Okay, now check this out. Check this out. 199 is a rounding off, right? We know that.
Yeah.
It's not exactly 1.
Yeah.
But the difference is how many percent. So you look at the answer.
Oh,
how
yeah.
many percent? How many percent is that?
Pretty close. It's like 0.099.
Yeah, 9%. So 10%. 10% is pushing it too far already. It's supposed to be 3% and above. But since I see that your method is correct, maybe you can give this a pass. 10% is a very big margin of error.
It's not 10%, right? It's 1%.
You nonsense. If it is 1%, it's 1.01. Nonsense.
That would be 90%. Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Wait. Okay, I know I don't like it. So again, so I'm writing something in Jamboard. So the calculator says 1.097 blah blah blah. Okay, right? Now you're claiming that this is 1%. If it is 1%, then it's good. I'm claiming that this is 10%. Now let me show you what 10% is like. 10% is 1.10. That's 10%. 1% is 1.01. That's 1%.
Oh, okay.
So 1.097 is which one? 1% or 10%?
Now, whoa.
Think carefully. This is important.
9%.
9.7%, correct?
Yeah.
Which is 10%.
Yeah.
Which is way off, right? You usually get error in less than 1%, not even 3%, right?
Yeah.
So this is already pushing it, but try your previous number. It'll be even worse. The previous number, do you remember?
No, I don't think.
That ugly number. What was the ugly number? Oh, you erased the ugly number. That's why we don't erase our mistakes. That's why we don't erase our ugly number. What was our ugly number just now? Do you have any idea what was it?
3779. Oh, I corrected my ugly number and then wrote another number and I corrected that.
So you are losing the number. You lose the mistake.
Trying to find. I got 207 for one of them.
207. Okay, let's try 207. Let's try 207. See what happened.
332 207.
Yeah. Let's try that. Let's try. Please try that in your calculator. So 207. So let's see how big of a difference this will be.
Actually, we could have gone to your recording and found it.
True. That's true. Maybe I should do that.
Hmm. Whoa.
How big? Okay, this is like not close to 1 at all.
It was horrible. Yeah.
Yeah, this is horrible. Now, what this means is that division is very good. Minus is not.
Yeah.
Division gives you a percentage difference. Whoa, we say, okay, that's it. Look, I know something is wrong already.
14%.
Okay.
But
Okay, understand.
9% would have ranked my belts as well. And I would have just.
No, once you confirm a lot, you will notice a difference of 1% or less one. Really. Once you confirm a lot. Okay. But this shows my point. This is very far. You should be concerned with 2 zeros. Make sense?
Yeah.
Right? But 199, yeah, I mean, if this exam, I'll give it a pass. Okay, if this exam, right? Okay. So now that settles the first thing. I want you to do B as a homework. I want you to do a B as homework, and I want you to go back to F. I want you to go back to F. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go back to F. With the remaining, in the remaining 2 minutes, I will try to do something useful.
I mean, I can stay back a little bit. That's okay.
No. That I'm today I'm very tired. Right? Okay. So F, yeah, F. Like the tricky one,
Here you go.
Okay, I'm trying my best to give you hints. Or let me put it another way. I say that this is tricky, right? Because I know what to do already.
Yeah.
Okay. You be honest with yourself, huh? You want me to tell you straight?
No.
Why not?
That's pointless. I'm trying to learn, not copy. Copy.
Are you usually this wise?
I mean, no, not really, but
that's not a bad answer.
Is to learn. I can copy too.
True, but why bother, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In fact, if I let out the secret, it becomes a very simple question.
Yeah, I want to earn my way into answering the question. That's the whole point. I like validation, from questions. Like answering a difficult question that gives you validation.
So let's say I agree with you. It makes it very hard for me to hit you without spoiling the reward, you see? But that is what I must try. That is what I must try before your teacher discuss tomorrow. We have a time, we have a deadline somehow, right? So I'm trying my best here. So I'm giving you very subtle hints, right? You are not going to expect what you're supposed to do. I don't think so. First thing first already.
Yeah.
Okay. Secondly, it has something to do with making it one type. It has that quality. Still the same.
I know what it is, right? Like.
No, you know. I tell you, then you will immediately do it and you immediately realize that it works. That's why I say it's super sneaky.
When it goes something like that.
Sorry?
Is it that plus 47 rule?
Plus, what do you mean by that, sorry?
Oh, I know there's a rule like that.
What rule? Huh? Show me what you're thinking.
Oh yeah, sine 90 degrees minus something equals to cosine 90.
Okay, I can tell you straight, not that. No. It's okay. Don't need to think. Don't need to do that. That's not sneaky. That part is not sneaky. This is sneaky. So again, listen to my subtle hints. I'm trying my best not to spoil it, right? I'm trying my best. So it is still about converting the two types into one type. Still like that. Okay. Frankly speaking, either you factorize, right? Which you try and it's not working, right? Or you do something else. Oh my goodness, I'm trying my best to hint here.
Either I factorize.
Look, again. So I'm saying that factorizing doesn't work. At least I can tell you that. Okay, I want you to not be stuck in factorization, because in other question, factorization works.
Yeah.
In this question, it's not working. Okay. Yeah. Now, I still want to get rid of one of the type. I still want that, and I should do that. Okay, so if I'm not factorizing or if I'm not substituting all those stuff to do, what can I do? A very simple thing I can do to, get rid of what? What are my options here?
Not factorizing or substituting.
Yeah, because substitution only works when it is only one type. And so it's not helping us. Factorizing doesn't help us here. We know that already. So we have to try something else, which get rid of one of the type. What can we do? We have options, simple options. We have.
Have I done it before?
Like I said, it's a very simple thing. It is a very simple thing, but you wouldn't expect it. You wouldn't. You're supposed to do something that you are not expecting, but it's very simple. Stupidly simple, stupidly simple. In the interest of getting rid of one of the types. That's, I think, the limit of my hint skill. That's okay, at most what I can do already. I mean, if I go further than that, I'm spoiling it already. Look. But I'm telling you, list down your option. You're trying to get rid of one of the type. Yeah, very simple option. What can you do? Come on.
Factorize or substitute?
No. Substitute only works when it is already only one type. Factorizing doesn't work in this question. At least I can tell you that. Don't be stuck with those options. That's why it's tricky.
What is this?
Like again, I'm trying my best, For example, you tell me, you want to get rid of sine or cosine? Just tell me one. Just choose one.
Yeah, say I want to get rid of sine.
Okay, let's say that. So what can you do to get rid of both sine, meaning the sine square, right, and the sine inside? What can you do? I want the sine to basically disappear, right? I want that. What can we do?
Subtract or divide.
Okay, subtract and divide. Very good. Those are your options. Correct. And subtracting is difficult because there are two.
Yeah.
So only division. Only division is something that you can at least try based on the simple principle of I want one type. So try to divide. Try to divide lah. So what can you divide?
Okay, that is so smart.
Okay, so can you do something?
Okay, no, I think we should divide by cosine.
Okay. Yes, go ahead. Try lah. Try something lah. Try. And you better use pencil, please. Just use pencil. Right? Okay. Just use pencil first. I mean, if it is correct, then good for you, right?
Unless I'm like on a completely different chain and I just go hide for nothing. Hopefully, isn't the case. Hopefully not.
But we're trying. We're in the spirit of trying here, right? So you want to divide. Okay, good. Some steps, some trying. Some option.
Okay.
So you're dividing with
cosine.
Cosine x, you mean, yeah? Okay. So if you divide by cosine x, will things disappear, right? Will there be only one type, right?
Yeah.
You mean you're dividing by cosine square x? You mean, hey, the 2 remains, you nonsense.
Oh, yeah.
Right, now, how is this one type? Okay, tell me, how is this one type? This looks like two types, right? It looks like two types. Okay, and by experience, this is a good thing.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. Oh. Right, you earned it, yeah? Right, some hints. Right, I'll see you tomorrow. I expect question B.
Yeah.
Right, and of course, tell me what's going on in the next lecture, because I think identities will come in. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, good job for today. Okay, yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
You too.